Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Sunday. Yes, it's Sunday. We have here in this additional seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. In the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, August the 12th, 2023, because today on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so it's the weekend edition. And we have here also a tectonic, aka a jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. Another one, but what 1 star. The previous one has 4 stars, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku, and number. This will be number 6913. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 26. So should be a 2 stars puzzle. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. 26 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, it has 26, so I think 15 to 20 minutes to solve this puzzle, but we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about well, we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about the number? Let me see. 7. Yes. 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, there are only 3 places left for the 7. Could be here, or there. We see another 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. Here, 7 in the first column, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in the last column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 2. Okay. 2 2 2 2. Yes. One of these 3 boxes in this big square is a 2. Yeah, we are missing the 2 in this big square. So we have a 2 in this row. 2 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 2. Okay. Then cannot continue with the 2 now. 2 6 8. Okay, 5 5. Let me think. 3 in this column, 3 the last column. So the column with 3, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 3. Okay. 3 3 3. Need a 3 there. Okay. Alright. Need a 3 there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 3. Okay. 3 3. Cannot continue with the 3. Need to wait. How about the 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. We see a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the second column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Okay. Wow. Well. 4 4. How about the number 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then. Yeah. 5 here. 5 and 1. Okay. And now 185. Let me see. Come on. What's happening? Need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 3 8, 1 3 8, 1 3 8, 1 3 8. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row, second row for number 8. Okay. 2 3. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places level for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, so we have all the 3s. Let me count. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3, okay. 3, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, no, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, no, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in this row, last row. 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And we have a pair, the 4 and 8 in this column, first column, the 4 and 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 8 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. And look, we have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers, the same numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, same numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes at there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.